AI data centers, they're sucking the power dry and they're being put every 80 miles in the United States. We need 4,500 of them. We need nuclear power plants, diesel generators. They warm up the atmosphere to create massive drought. They pollute the atmosphere to choke you, and they create magnetic sounds to kill you. Department of Transportation, India, did a study we showed on TV, and they put out, they changed the structure of water, so when you drink water from the well, you get sicker and sicker and sicker. These AI centers are designed to kill you. They're not AI centers. They're something more hideous than that. So the AI centers are there to increase the water use, to increase the planetary temperature, and to kill humans. There's no other way, Department of War. And the Department of War has sent up over 10,000 satellites, and about 1,000 of them fall out of the sky. Now, when they fall out of the sky and burn up, they leave heavy metals in the upper atmosphere. Metals I can't even pronounce. Antimony, arsenic, aluminum, selenium, blah, 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 blah. And those heavy metals are destroying the ozone layer. You destroy the ozone layer, the sun comes through even brighter. Hotter summers. It's the biggest drought in history. Colder winters. The coldest winter in history. Thanks, Department of War. 10,000 satellites also all contain 5G. Starlink announced it covers every part of the Earth with 5G. It's destroying the ozone. The 5G cooks you. So they're cooking the planet, making it hotter. And those 5Gs destroy the ozone. So the chemtrails are causing all kinds of floods, hurricanes, drying out. What we should have had rain in the last few days, they dried us out. More chemtrails, more. Man, our use of inhalers skyrocketed because these chemtrails. These chemtrails are now going into your vegetables. They want the Department of War funds the chemtrails. They fund the satellites. They fund the AI centers. It's all national security. National security, my butt. It's called killing the human population off. And HARP. We have one in Russia, one in China, one in northern Norway, one at northern Greenland, and we have the High Area Aurora Resolution Program in Alaska, run by the University of Alaska, funded by the Department of War. They fire microwaves into the air, come down, boil the ocean. It wipes out the ozone because it bounces off the upper atmosphere, wipes out the ozone fills in, gets weaker and weaker, hotter summers, drought, colder winters, all run by and funded by the Department of War. So we boil the Pacific Ocean. We create what I call an El Ninja. Could be El Nino, El Nino, El Nino, blah, 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 which they claim is causing the drought. And if you look up those little crisscrosses, they also put toxic metals in jet fuel now, aluminum, things like that. Why? To obliterate America. The white race can fight Lucifer. It must be obliterated, according to the head of the Jesuits. And finally, not only is HARP doing it, the oil industry has been using oil and plastics to kill the planet, to pollute it and kill it. Now, we had water-powered motors back in 1941, the P-51 fighter aircraft. I've seen the water-powered. I've put my hand on it. I've seen the water-powered. I've seen the wood-smoked-powered motors. That's right. You get a wood stove in the back of your pickup truck. You suck it into your motor. I've seen it run. That's documented all over the place. But Stanley Meyer's water-powered car, they did not split water and hydrogen up to create Brown's gas.